A muster station is a designated area on ship where passenger or crew gather during emergency, like fire and evacuation. It equipped with life-saving gear such as life jacket and lifeboat. Passengers are assigned to the specific muster station, attend safety drills, and follow instruction in case of an emergency. Clear signage and train crew to ensure safety and organization. First is the fire alarm. When the fire alarm sounds, passenger and crew must proceed to their designated muster stations. Wearing life jacket, the crew will assess the fire location and severity and take actions. Passengers are not used to elevator during a fire emergency. Second is the general alarm. A general alarm signal an emergency that may not to be specifically defined, like fire, flooding, or another urgent situation. Passenger must follow the instruction of the crew, who will guide them to safety. Muster station are to be reached. The third one is the abandon ship alarm. When the abandon ship alarm sounds, it signals that they need to evacuate the vessel. Passenger must wear life jacket and proceed to their muster station and board lifeboat or life raft when instructed. The fourth one is the man overboard signal. When someone falls overboard, the crew will sound the man overboard alarm. The ship will maneuver to retrieve the person and emergency team will deploy. Passenger should stay clear of the affected area but follow instruction from crew members. The fifth is the CO2 alarm. A CO2 alarm in the engine room signals the release of carbon dioxide to extinguish a fire. The engine room will be evacuated and specific personnel will manage the system. Crew member in other area must stay clear of the engine room until it's declared safe. The next one is the engine room flooding. In the case of flooding in the engine room, crew member will immediately work to stop the water source and prevent further damage. Emergency pump and valve are engaged. Passengers should stay away from the affected area. The next is the cargo hold flooding. Cargo hold flooding usually results from the breach in the hull. The crew works to secure, hold, and manage ballast to maintain stability. The crew must be ready to carry out emergency dewatering operations. The next one is the pollution prevention. If a pollution incident occurs, like an oil spill or chemical leak, immediate action are taken to prevent further environmental damage. The ship will follow regulation on containment and reporting. The crew uses absorbent material and booms to manage the spill. Importance of training and drills. Training and drills are essential for ensuring safety during emergency on a ship. They prepare the crew and the passenger to respond quickly and effectively, minimize panic, and improve response times. Regular drills identify weakness, build confidence, ensure compliance with safety regulation. They also foster teamwork among the crew and the most important, save lives by ensuring everyone knows what to do in the crisis.